Hey everybody, welcome back to the printing workshop. I'm Matthew, and today I'm going to show you how to change out your paper tray roller kit on a Xerox Versalink b610. First thing you do is open up the paper tray, take it out. We're going to be replacing this whole orange paper separator roller assembly. We're going to push out on this little white tab. We're going to roll the whole orange assembly up, slide it to the right, lean the left side up and out, and then pull the whole assembly to the left, and it should come out. Now to go back in, you'll take that little pin and you'll slide it back into that right side white slot on the tray. Slide it all the way in, lean the left side back down and set its pin in its trough, slide it to the left, and then roll it down. And it should snap right in place. And that's it for your separator roll. Now, to do the two feed wheels that are up inside, it's a little tricky. You're gonna reach inside the machine with palm facing up. And once you get inside there, you're gonna feel the feed wheels with your fingers, and just to the right of them there's going to be an orange piece of plastic. Now that orange piece of plastic needs to come out before you can get those feed wheels out. You'll press back on the little orange tab at the front of the orange piece of plastic like so. There's your orange piece of plastic. Set it aside. You'll reach up in there and you'll rotate the feed roller. I like to grab it with two fingers and then take a third finger and stick my fingernail kind of under the orange tab. Feed wheel start to slide off of the shaft inside there. Once you slide that off, remove that feed wheel. You reach back up in there and there's one more. Same idea, two fingers holding that feed wheel. You want to rotate it until you can feel that orange tab just right. Grab it with your third finger's fingernail, pull out on it a little bit, and slide it to the right. And just slide right off that shaft, and there you go. Go back together, the exact same way you came apart. You take one feed wheel, just get these four little prongs on one side of it. You're gonna go up inside there and slide it onto that shaft, and on that shaft, there's four other white prongs. You're gonna mate those orange prongs to those white prongs when you go up in there. You gotta kind of feel with your hand. And I like to do the rear one first so that you're not fighting the front one while you're doing the rear one. And that little orange tab on the other side should lock into place on that metal shaft. Same idea. Four orange prongs sliding into four white prongs on the inside of that shaft. Make sure it's lined up. Give it a good little push, snap in place, back and forth, make sure you're secure, and that's it. Now we're going to replace the orange plastic piece. This can be a little tricky. You're going to put the smooth side down, just how you came out. You have two little tabs. Those two little tabs are going to go into the two little black slots back up inside that hole or cavity that it came out of. We'll get that up in there. Give it a good push and a click, like that. All right, last thing you'll do, take a paper tray, reinstall it, slide it into place, and you're done. Hey guys, if you want to see more great how-to videos on this same model, click here. From all of us here at the Printing Workshop, we'd like to say thank you to our viewers. And if you'd like to see more of our content, please subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure and hit that like button.